In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started on updating your Teams application to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. First, launch the Microsoft Teams application on your device. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your standard Microsoft account credentials. This is the same account you usually use for other Microsoft services like Outlook or OneDrive. Once you're in the application, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu featuring various options related to your account settings and preferences. As you look through this menu, you'll want to find the option that says Check for Updates. This option is crucial as it allows Teams to search for any available updates that you might need to install. It's usually located near the bottom of the list, so it shouldn't be hard to spot. After selecting Check for Updates, you may see an update button appear if there are new versions available. Click on that Update button to initiate the download and installation process. This step ensures that your Microsoft Teams is refreshed with all the latest features and improvements, as well as any important security patches. Following the download, you might be prompted to restart the application. If you encounter this prompt, be sure to do so. Restarting will enable all the new features and updates to take full effect, ensuring you're running the most secure and efficient version of Teams. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've effectively updated Microsoft Teams. Regularly checking for updates is a great habit to maintain, as it keeps your app running smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.